So guys, we are going to the Istanbul. We have been reached to the finals after 8 years. Our team is reaching to the finals. It's quite good, and we have Kante, the mini bomb, Mason Mount, the Lampard Sam, Thomas Tuchel, the German power. We have bring Kai, Timo back into the forms. We have Rudiger, the solid, Aspi, so the Pulisic, the Captain America. So guys, today we are going to discuss about the match day preview lineup about Chelsea versus Man City, the Champions League final. So guys, let's get started. If you are new to the channel, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. So guys, first we are going to discuss about the lineup. So according to me, Mendy is going to start because he have come back to the training sessions and the injuries recover. So Mendy is going to start, and Mendy is quite excellent player, man. We all know he is quite brilliant. Overall, the game of Mendy is quite good. The clean sheet he have provided was brilliant, man. He's an excellent player. We need him in this final. We cannot keep trust on Kepa. We all know that. And then our defensively part, so we need Rudiger, Silva and Aspi. Aspi, because he is just mind-blowing, Aspilicueta, because he provides the overlap runs as well as he provides the passes, we all know, and he is a proper leader. So we need Silva and Aspi. They provide the brilliant, excellent, man. They are both mind-blowing, fabulous, and they keep a solid defense. So that's my opinion why to take Aspi in place of James. We need James into the middle, that is the right back position or RM, we can say, because the James provides on the wing side, he gives the overall overlap runs in place of Aspilicueta. We have seen the crosses, the assist provided by James is mind blowing, and in the middle, that is Kante Kovacic, the KK pair we needed, because they both are mind blowing, man. Sometimes Kante sit backs in place in DM, so Kovacic helps into the attacks. The sharpness of Kovacic comes out. So sometimes Kovacic sit back, so Kante gives provides into the attack. So they both helps into the defensive part as well as into the attacking part. And we know the mini bomb is just excellent, mind blowing, fantastic, fabulous in this overall season. He is just excellent. And about Ben Chilwell, man, he is also the brilliant player in the season, and he showed his value which we have bought from the Leicester. He is just excellent. So this is my midfielder. So in the attack, I think the both German power should be starting in the game, that is the Kai Havertz and Timo Werner, because the bound we can see the relation between Kai and Werner is quite excellent. The false nine position of Kai is excellent. He provides the passes, assist was brilliant. And about Werner on the left wing, he is just excellent. The pace he provides was brilliant, man. So I think Werner on the left wing is just excellent, brilliant. And Kai Havertz in the false nine position is also great. The second striker, he plays very brilliant. And our Lampard son, he is just, man, excellent. And this trio pair just changed the all the times they change their positions and just shift to the positions. So this three pair trio or tripod, we can say, we needed in this game according to me. Yeah, you may say that Christian Pulisic, Hakim Ziyech, this type of player, I think so, should come into the 68 minutes, where this type of player, that is Fernandinho, makes the mistake, always try to tackle. In the last game also we have seen, so he just missed just this tackle. So we need the pace player at the end, where the players are, the energy of the players are fully committed to their game. The energy is quite low. So where this type of Pulisic and Hakim Ziyech bring out their energy, bring out their pace, show the passion to the club and score for us. That's my opinion, because this game is quite tough for the Chelsea. We all know we have defeated 2 times, but This is the game where De Bruyne, then Sterling will bring out their game, and I think so they will provide some excellent performance. They will give Folland is there, then Mahrez is there. They have not played against us in the both the games. In the first game, I think in the FA Cup, Jesus Sterling was playing. There was no Mahrez or Sterling, so that's the opinion. And we are going to face De Bruyne, Mahrez, Folland together. That's the main thing. We are going to face them all. So there is an opportunity where we can bring the Pulisic, Hakim Ziyech into the end of the game, where they can provide their brilliancy and score for the Chelsea, because blow as the color and we are together. Yes guys, okay, yes, that's my opinion. Hope you agree with your agree with my opinion. If you don't agree, let me know in the comment section what's your opinion. We will discuss upon it. And I think Tammy should get a chance, man. He should get a chance in this final, at least for 15 to 20 minutes he should get a chance. So guys, now it's the prediction time. So according to me, Chelsea are going to win with 2-1. So first goal by Mason Mount and second goal by Timo Werner. I think so. Timo Werner is going to score because he's trying and trying and trying. But I think so. He is going to shine. So what's your opinion? Let me know. And what's your prediction? Please let me know in the comment section. And come on, Blue, and just come and win it out. So thank you guys.